from point, station, that is, actually I can't put, cannot. If we put this on directly, why cannot? Because later on have a comma 1, 2, 3 in front. You also have to change.
So we don't put here
so that's why we put on. Understand? From station this point, backside this point, this one.
Just angle from this angle, this one to this one, then after the angle from here, then here to here.
In front, we just have one distance to behind only. But for this one, we have degree, minutes, second. Need to use this one also. But for distance, no need. So that's why we have to surveys. This and this. Change the name of this. DAT. Same in a case. This one, replace race. Why? Why have? Because just not many space. You see, not many space, so they put change for. Actually, below one more space, cannot. So before we do, need to undo it. Undo why?
Undo have. Wait.
Replace shall be put nicely. You see, one more space behind shall be clean. And delete, make sure last in here. Then put one. And now, good. Otherwise, one slash, space. Ah, no good. And the other one, replace with
below.
Space only. No more dash. This one cut.
Clear everything.
The space can be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Also no problem. How
the space mode also no problem.
No problem.
But less is not enough the space.
Yes. You see now the format like this. So now we can put A, D, separate one was can. If not so many, we can put copy and paste to your cell was can. We can compare or separate, no issue. So this is the format. Can have 100 angle, 200 distance.
So all one time you can put, then after the sub copy, you need to put this one copy, then paste there.
Then the other one, this one is data preset.
Okay.
Then the other one is use the software to solve the issue.
I
do
again.